Hello everyone, this is Alane Freund with Are You Highly Sensitive? Yes, I am. And I've been rolling like crazy of late. And so I came up here to the coastal mountains to gather some moss. Wow, look at the moss. It's unbelievable how much there is. It's so beautiful, I love it. I'm thinking a lot about getting started on my retreat. Ooh, look at that color. And I've been thinking a lot about what it means to gather moss. How much must I rest? This is a beautiful little creek that I hiked down to with Banjo. And he's jumping in the creek whenever he gets a chance. And you know, it made me think about walking with a young person. So I'll make a separate video about that. But I think hiking in the creek is an amazing way to spend time with your family members, particularly tweens and teens, your highly sensitive youth. Go hike up or down a creek and see what happens. You don't even have to talk, but no doubt you will end up talking. Even if it's just to say, wait, I can't keep up. I'm going to sit here on this fallen tree that goes across the creek and sink into the sounds.